Hello, welcome to SAS Media Studio. This is your boy Kojo Inketia. In this video, I am going to show you how to extract lead with this powerful tool. Just a click and you're going to extract leads. Okay, any kind of leads that you want. This is a business lead. Okay, B2B leads. Now, so as you can see, we have the dashboard, we have the business extractor, we have contacts. So we are going to make use of the business extractor and the contacts. Okay, so first of all, we have to just click on business extractor. So now you can upload a list of keywords. You can add your keywords and search. So now let's click on, you can also click add here to search. Okay, so let's click on add. Now you can type in any business kind or service or type that you want your emails from, or you want to extract data from. So let's say let's say schools. Okay, so I want to extract schools data from let's say London, well, let's say Manchester. So now I'm extracting schools in Manchester, the data of schools in Manchester. So after you think everything is cool with you, just click on add and search. So now we are waiting for this extractor to extract our emails, our data for us. So we have the business name, we have the full address, you have the phone number, you have the website, you have the email, we have the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, the keywords, and we have the locations. So as you can see, it is extracting leads for schools, you understand, in Manchester. So as you can see, there are not much emails, but you can see every company or every school has a phone number. Okay, so if you want to use it for SMS sending, then that is very powerful tool for you. If you want to use it for cold calls, you want to call them, that is also powerful tool for you. But if you want to use it for emails too, this tool is very powerful. So you can I'll show you some websites, and with that website you can get a lot of industries, and you are going to make search, okay, based on the industry. So you just when you get your leads, all you have to do is just filter it so that you get the leads with emails and the leads without emails, you understand. So if you are more into emails, you can then go for the leads with emails. I hope you understand. So this is a very powerful tool. Let's wait. So at the right side you can see total search is just 1, pending is 1. So the time it has taken, this is the time it has taken. Then leads extracted, that 150 leads extracted. So the leads that came has 8 emails and 151 phone numbers. So when I scroll down, you can see that this has an email, this has an email, this has an email, this has an email. So you can see we are still extracting. So we can extract and extract. You can wait for a very long time for these two to extract our leads for us. So it will be very important you get this tool. So at the end of the video, I will show you where you can get this lead extractor, this powerful business leads extractor or B2B extractor. So please stay around, subscribe if you're enjoying this video. Okay, hit the like button. I really love likes. Now before I go to the last part, let's go and hear out what the sponsors of this video are saying. Do you want us to develop any kind of website for you, whether blogging website, e-commerce website, business website, or NGO website? We are going to build a wonderful website, a responsive website, an SEO friendly website for you. We can also generate leads for you, okay? Leads generation, whether personal leads, B2B leads, or any kind of business leads, okay? We can also boost your social media platforms as well as your audio streaming platforms. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and also your audio streaming platforms are such as AudioMac, SoundCloud, Spotify. Okay, we can monetize your YouTube channel within 2 weeks. I know you don't want to miss this, so get to us now. Just now we are going to give you organic services. Okay, so at the description down below you are going to see our WhatsApp link and also our email address, our business email address. Get to us, we are going to give you the best service. Okay, so thank you very much. Oh yes, so search completed, 163 leads found. Okay, so when I click on OK now we are good to go. Our lead has been generated. So now go and click on contact. Okay, so as you can see, so this is the search that you made: schools Manchester 163. Okay, these are 163 schools in Manchester. All right, so when I select this, then click on search, it should pop up here. Understand? So this has popped up over here. You understand? So now we want to remove duplicate. Now if you want only emails, if you want only leads with emails, you want to take off all the leads without the emails, just click on remove duplicate. Now you click here and you click on business email, then you click on remove. So it will remove all the leads without emails. The same thing you are going to do if you want to take off all the leads with emails. You just pick phone number, then you just click remove, and it will remove the list with emails. But mind you, because all the list here has phone numbers, so none of them will be removed. So that is how this tool works. Okay, so let's say I want to grab only the list with emails. I just click on remove, then just click here, select business email, and click on remove. Then are you sure you want to? Yes. Then you have to wait for a while. Boom. So as you can see, there are 10 leads with emails. So I can do another search, okay, with a different business model or service. I think you really enjoyed this video. Yes, if you are enjoying it, please like this video, subscribe. Okay, please, if you want this tool, then I am to tell you that this tool is not free. Okay, it is not free, just $20. Okay, just $20. If you are interested in this tool, go to my description down below. You can see a lot of contact details over there. Just get to me and I'm going to give this tool to you. It's a very powerful tool. Yes, so don't miss this too. But if you want a free way of generating leads, I have a video on this channel, how to generate free leads on LinkedIn. So if you don't want to purchase this software, go and enjoy that video and leave your comment as well at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and thank you for purchasing this too. Goodbye.